Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Professor Sistrunk, and I'm reaching out to my CNS 103 IT Support Fundamentals students. Okay, so the semester is about to start. When you wake up in the morning, the semester will be going. So I just wanted to point out a few things and get you guys ready for this semester. First and foremost, I want to say that this class that you are in is a dynamic class. You're really going to enjoy it. But what I'm going to do here is just basically show you the preliminary things you need to know to be able to be successful in this class. And I want to say this to each and every one of you. You have embarked on a journey that is going to be really great. I was one of the primary professors that brought this course to the college. And the reason I brought this course to the college, I felt that we needed a course that was really at the root of understanding IT. And Google, they created a magnificent platform. So with that being said, I just wanted you guys to know you in a dynamic class. Now, by far, I'm being honest with you, it's work. It's a lot of work, but we got people all around the country taking this course, and people in other countries are taking this course. This is a dynamic course, and if this is the start of your IT career, you have knocked it out the park. You're on the right course. You will get a chance to take a look at everything. I mean, all the elements of what makes up the IT industry. If you were one of them people who were trying to figure out what should I go in the IT industry, this course is going to direct you right down that path. Now, we like to say that it's fundamental, we like to say that it's basic, we like to say it's a starter, but it has a lot of work in there, and it will give you the tricks and show you the bells and whistles of what's in the IT industry. So with that being said, I just want to let you know you chose the right class. I'm really happy for you because a lot of people don't get the chance to choose this path. They jump into the other courses without knowing there's a fundamental class out there that will help them on their right path. And you guys chose the right one. So, and I hope no one is offended by me saying you guys. That's just a term I use, and I use it, for men as well as women. So hopefully you're not offended. But with that being said, let's move on. So this is D2L. This is pretty much where all your information will be. Now, in here, the only pieces you really have to worry about, once you log into D2L, you'll have this content section, where you will be able to look at your syllabus. Please take a look at your syllabus. It's important because you're going to see a lot of stuff on your syllabus, but I don't want you to be afraid. It's just stuff that's giving you the insight. So you want to learn about your learning objectives. You want to really dive deep into the syllabus and break these learning objectives down, because you're going to get a chance to learn about DNS, DHCP, Active Directory for Apple computers, for Linux computers. You're going to get a chance to really dive in deep on all the different levels. Also, you want to make sure when you're going through your syllabi is to make sure you read it thoroughly. It's a lot of stuff you're going to have to do. You're going to have discussion questions, you're going to have quizzes, you're going to have assignments, you're going to have labs, you're even going to have projects. You're even going to communicate with other people around the country in this class that's, going to be reviewing your documents. You review their documents for the soundness of your skill, your art, your ability to be able to do this work. You're really gonna enjoy this. This is some dynamic stuff. And I know I'm hyping it up, but it's really good. I actually went through the class with many years of IT training that I have taken in my life, I went to the class too, because I wanted to make sure if I was going to present this to you guys, I wanted you to have the very, very best. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you the whole story of how I came across this class in my search to find a entry-level class for students. And you're really going to enjoy that story because it was really funny. But anyway, moving right along. So go through your syllabus. Make sure you understand. In your discussion questions, you have a rubric in your syllabus. Make sure when you writing your discussion questions, you follow this rubric. Do not use the discussion questions where you can go off on a tantrum or talk about other things. These discussion questions are to keep you focused on the subject at hand, that particular subject. You'll get one every week, so make sure you follow this rubric. If you step out, well, you step out, I got to give you the grade you asked for. But anyway, just stay focused. And you're going to get a chance to see this. Now, that's the syllabi. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Now, the next place, of course, you would like to go is the discussion questions. You're going to see those in there. I'm not going to pop them up right now. You're going to get a chance to see them today. This really is going to be your first discussion question. Just got to answer the questions that I'm asking you and just follow the method of how they should be answered. And then you got your grade section. I'm not going to click on that because that has people's names and stuff on. But now, what happens then? Well, you go to Coursetta. You should have received the email from me right now, and I know that you did because a couple of students went in there already and they just opened up all the sections. So let me go to Coursetta. You're going to receive an email from me through your Ivory Tech email. And once you receive that email, it's going to take you to this website and to this course here. This is the course you will be in. And it's a collection of courses starting you off to really understanding the IT world. You're going to get a chance to see technical support fundamentals, bits and bytes, where you learn the binary system and all the other different things. Operating system, where you get a chance to learn the Linux operating system as well as the Windows operating systems. You learn how to become a system administrator. You'll be able to walk out of this class and get a job in these arenas. And then you learn how to deal with security. Now, I'm not going to go too far into depth, but it's a total of 5 courses that if you really sit down and you really learn from these courses, you will get a real thorough understanding of what the IT world is like. And then you'll be able to go out there and choose the right path. Some of you may want to be programmers. Some of you may want to be system administrators. Some of you may want to be network administrators. This course is the course that will guide you on that right path. So go in your email, get that link, click on it, and sign up for your course because I sent you the link yesterday and you're ready to go. Now, one of the things that I want to point out, and I'm just jumping between the screens right now, but one of the things I want to point out is when you sign up for the course, you're going to get a chance to do a real thorough knowledge of what's in here. So let me just show you a few things. Let's click here. Okay, let's show all. So it says here, just in your introduction IT, you get a chance to, it says here, welcome to Technical Support Fundamentals. This first course of the IT Support Professional Certificate by enrolling. Now, the course is built to gradually take you through different certificates. Now, I'm going to show you all of the certificates because in the next video log, I'm going to be able to show you that information. But I want you to know you will get a certificate for every course that you complete. But make sure you follow your syllabi to make sure you're completing your work in a timely manner. In your first course, you're going to learn about the introduction to IT, the hardware, the operating system, network systems. Let's see all of this, what's in these network systems. So you're gonna really get a chance to step in here. And as you can see, it's not a lot, but it is a lot, because you have to make sure you complete all assignments. Every assignment, lab that's in there, you must complete to move forward. If you do not do one thing, you'll be stuck. So you have to complete everything to move forward. And reach out to me. Even though this is an online course, if you run into problems where you're stuck and you need to figure out something, hey, let's have a Zoom session. Let's talk about it. Let's work it out. But I will send you a video every week explaining the particulars of these particular subjects. So you don't have to worry about it. You got my video logs that's coming to you. Watch them. You have where you can reach out to me in a Zoom meeting, and you can also, Google in here has a plethora of instructors who talking to. So you got a whole group of people that you're going to be reading to give you more insight, more knowledge. So it's a really, really good class put together. I'm just showing you a few things. You're going to get to learn about the history of computing. You're going to get to learn about digital logic, computing architect layer. It's a lot of things you're going to get a chance to really learn. You're going to have quizzes in here. Every one of these quizzes and these projects and stuff, they must be done. Do not skip out on everything. Now, you're going to have some bonus points. And these bonus points, I'm going to have a discussion with you in my next video log coming out, because I don't want to bog you down with too many things. I really want you to go in here, log into your course, and get the course started. So I'm just giving you a brief synopsis of the course. So with that being said, if you have any questions or you aren't for sure about things, I need you to reach out to me, because I want to make sure we clear everything up and have everything right. This video log is about to come out to you, and it will be placed in here too, so you need to come in here and click on it, and it's going to say review this video log first. But check your email. I sent the course to you in your email so you can register, log in, and get it going. Okay, so this is Professor Systrom. We're going to have an absolutely magnificent time. You're going to love this course, and you're going to be like, Professor, I'm glad I chose that course. Well, let me say this. It is work. If you really want to understand this industry and be in here, you have to put the work in. Do not think that you're going to get an easy pass in this industry. And we just happen to have the best industry in the world, baby. Let me stop. But anyway, I'm just having a little fun. I got to have a little fun. But anyway, I'll see you in the next class. This is Professor Systrom signing off.